A very good morning, my dear students. You've already started with the chapter Animals, How Life Goes On. Till now, we have learned that there are two ways of reproduction, that is, by giving birth to young ones and by laying eggs, right? We learned both the methods, right? And the organisms which give birth to young ones, they are called mammals, right? We also learned that birds lay eggs, right? And the young ones come out from the eggs. ठीक है, यहाँ तक हमने डिस्कस कर लिया था. Now, except birds, there are also other animals who lay eggs at different places. अलग अलग जगह पे वो eggs lay करते हैं. And you know, those organisms जो the mother of those organisms, they take care only for a short period of a time, right? So let us learn about those animals which also lay eggs, right? But not on land, but on different places, right? So let us see first thing now. If we talk about frog, you know frog lay eggs in water. Frog lay eggs in water, right? And then what happens? Some eggs are eaten up, you know, by other animals, and from some eggs the young one comes out, the baby frog. The baby frog comes out, and the baby frog is called as tadpole. Baby frog is called as tadpole, and this tadpole converts into your adult frog. I hope it's clear to you. This is a short cycle, you know. The frog lay eggs in water, and then the young one comes out from the egg, and then what happens? That baby frog is called as tadpole, and then tadpole converts into your adult frog. I hope it's clear to you, right? Now next is the fish. Fish also lay eggs in water, right? Now baby fish comes out. That baby fish is eaten up by the bigger fish, right? And some baby fish, they convert into the adult fish, right? That is your big fish. Okay, so both of them lay eggs in water. And you know, there are so many eggs. It's not a single egg or the two eggs. There are so many eggs, but only from some eggs only the young one grows into adult one, because rest of them are eaten up by the other big animals, right? A fish के केस में क्या है? Fish lay eggs in water. अब eggs, कुछ eggs तो they are eaten up by, you know, from some eggs the baby fish comes out. Some baby fish are eaten up by the big fish also, and some are converted into big fish, right? Now another comes category of reptiles. Reptiles के अंदर हमारे पास क्या क्या आता है? We have lizards, we have snakes, we have turtles. All these are reptiles, you know. They do not lay eggs in water. They lay eggs in holes in the ground. अलग अलग जगह है. देखो, birds they lay eggs in their nest. Frogs and fish, they lay eggs in water. But if you talk about reptiles, they lay eggs in the holes in the ground. Is that thing clear? You know what happens? The mother, when the mother gives birth, what happens? The mother goes away. In all these cases, you know, the mother takes care only for a short while, and she even never comes back. And what will happen? Some eggs are eaten up by the other animals, और बाकी जो grow करते हैं वो क्यों करते हैं? Because they get warm from the heat of the sun. क्योंकि जब तक egg को warmth नहीं मिलेगा तब तक उसमें से the baby is not going to come out. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर तो mother is going to just stay for a short while, and even she never comes back sometimes. तो उस केस में क्या होता है? जो eggs होते हैं उन्हें warmth कहाँ से मिलता है? From the heat of the sun, and they comes out from the egg. The egg hatches out and the young one comes out from there, right? So reptiles, this is one of the important questions. जो reptiles होते हैं, they lay eggs in the holes in the ground. I hope it's clear to you. And if you talk about insects के केस में भी, चाहे हम ग्रास हॉपर की बात करते हैं या कॉकरोच की बात करते हैं, तो उस केस में भी हमारे पास क्या है? They lay eggs, right? And when they lay eggs, what will happen? The insects hatches out from those eggs. We're going to learn about the life cycle of cockroach and for life cycle of butterfly in next part of the chapter, right? But till now, you must know the organisms which lay eggs in water, that is your frog and fish, and reptiles, they lay eggs in the holes in the ground, and even the insects, they lay eggs and the young one hatches out from the egg. I hope this part is clear to you, right? So you have number of 1 mark questions which can come from this side, and for your homework you will be reading page 70 and page 71. Just go through it, right? In the next part we're going to discuss about the life cycle of butterfly and cockroach. I hope things are clear to you. Thank you so much.